brand new video. So today's video is dedicated to Christmas because Christmas is just around the corner. So today I'm gonna share with you guys a Christmas special makeup tutorial. Not something like a very crazy Christmas makeup tutorial like drawing Christmas trees and gingerbreads on my face, but a look you can actually carry out during Christmas or on Christmas. And if you're new to my channel today, hi, I'm Sahi and I am grateful because you clicked my video. So yeah, without further ado, let's just start it. So I've got my base makeup done already. We are starting with the eyes, and first we need to draw our eyebrows. You can use any eyebrow pencil you want. After this we are going to do our eyeshadow part, and for today's look I'm going to use the Beauty Glazed palette. So for the transition shade I'm using this shade right here. And now I'm taking this shade right here. And now I'm taking these two shades. Now I'm taking this yellow color. Now we are going to do our eyeliner, and I'm using Lakme eyeliner for this. So we are done with our eyeliner. Now for the shimmer shades, I'm going to take this shimmery shade right here. And now I'm taking this shade right here. And now I'm going to put on lashes. So I've put my lashes on, and I think कि इसके साथ white काजल भी अच्छा लगेगा. So let's just put on a white काजल. और जब फाउंडेशन लगा होता है तो काजल लगाने के वक्त वो थोड़ा हट जाता है, तो उसके लिए आप एक फाउंडेशन ब्रश को ऐसे रख सकते हो, and then you can apply your काजल. Yeah, it looks pretty. So now I will put mascara on my lower lashes. So yeah, our eye makeup is done. I have to do the other eye as well, so I'll see you in 1 second. So hey, I'm back. So my eyes are completely done. Let's just quickly move on to the blush and highlight. And for blush I'm using Sugar Cosmetics blush, stick blush. For highlighting my face, I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Mini Highlighter in the shade Royal Rose. So now we have to put lipstick on, and for lipstick, first I'm gonna line my lips using this shade, and then I'm gonna fill them in with this shade. So this shade's name is Aubergine Queen, and this one is Scarlet Starlet. Why are the names like this? Anyway, so we're gonna line our lips using this one. I don't know why, but my lips look bigger for some reason. So yeah guys, this is how the final look turned out. Let me wear a red sweater. I'm gonna wear this one. This is my school sweater, okay? My school uniform was red and white, and this is honestly my school sweater. It doesn't look bad, it looks good. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. So that was it for today's video. Definitely try this look on Christmas. All the products I've used, I'll leave the links on the description box, so feel free to check them out. And yeah, thanks for watching.